Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Instagram password even if you forgot it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your profile picture to open up your profile. After that, hit at these three lines icon and select Settings. On Settings, tap at Security, and right here at the very top you can easily find the password. Just tap on that. On that step you are able to set new password for your account. First tap at the first field, and there you have to enter your current password. If you don't remember it, you may just hop out Instagram for now and open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Passwords. It will ask you to use Face ID to be able to get access to your saved passwords, and then just search for Instagram. Hit right here, type in Instagram, and that shows you all saved passwords from all your Instagram accounts. Then just scroll down until you find your current account, then just tap on that, and right here you can check your password for that Instagram profile. Just hit right here at this dots to unhide it, and after that you would be able to hit at copy password, and then you can go back to Instagram and paste it right here. Once you entered current password, hit at that field and then enter new one. Your new password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you entered it, hit at the next field and retype your new password. And then just hit on Save. Now it says that your Instagram password has just been saved. After that, you can continue using Instagram. You can open up Instagram homepage, and as you can see, you are still logged into your account. You can close Instagram app and then open it, and you still logged in. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.